Snow this big only falls a few times a year. If I miss it, I'll have to wait until next year to run my experiments. So please, give me some space. Yes, I know. I should wear more layers. What the? What kind of injurious weather is this? It's cold. A wonderful sight indeed. Why, it reminds me of my homeworld, where at the sight of the princess and of her Earthalan, the very blood and tears of sinners turn to ice. Achoo! Achoo!
Not only their blood and tears, but also their saliva and mucus, main Fräulein.
Oz?
Alright, it's time for a snowball fight! You're never gonna win, though.
Hey, when a noble woman is speaking, you are to lower your drink and look her directly in the eyes. You really ought to learn some proper etiquette. I bet it's that Gunhilder girl talking about me behind my back again.
No, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Right now, I just need to get out of here. I'm so cold. Achoo!
I dare say that a private performance played using these very same strings would not be an excessive way to show my gratitude.
What?
Anyway, thanks for the help. I'll be going now. I dare say that a private performance played using these very same strings would not be an excessive way to show my gratitude.
What?
Anyway, thanks for the help. I'll be going now.